morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the difference between mass and weight. What is mass? The mass of a body is the quantity of matter contained in it, while the weight of the body is the force with which it is attracted towards the center of the earth. Now as we know, earth attracts each and every object towards its center due to gravity. Now the same thing is there in the weight. This is the force with which a body is attracts towards the center. Earth is attracting, so that is why any object is attracting towards the center of the earth is known as weight. We can just compare between the mass and weight in such a way, like mass of an object can't be changed. Whether we consider two cases here, like first case on earth, second case on outer space. Firstly, they took the case of mass. Mass on the earth is 70 kg. At the same time, mass on the outer space also 70 kg. Means anywhere, wherever the body will reach, the mass of the object will never change. Mass, whether on earth, outer space, on moon, on Mars, everywhere, wherever an object will be there, the mass of the object will a constant part, means will be same. In the other hand, when we will consider about the weight means denoted by W will be equal to W is equal to M into G. The product of mass and gravity, acceleration due to gravity, is known as weight. Means if whatever the value of G will be there, as per that only the value of weight will be decided, because mass is constant. Like in this case, gravity, small g, is the acceleration due to gravity, and the value of acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. So simply, whenever the value of the g will change, the value of the w will also change. Mass 70 kg and weight w is equal to mg, means mass 70 into 9.8 meter per second square. After multiplication, we got the value 686 Newton, where on earth. But at the same time, on the outer space, W is equal to M into G, and gravity on the outer space is 0. So when 70 kg person is multiplied with 0 gravity, the answer became 0. Means the gravity of the object, we can say, will be 0. The weight will be 0 because gravity was 0. So see, you can see mass on earth and outer space 70 kg, but weight is so far. That is why we are feeling in outer space, we are feeling weightlessness, because no weight we are realizing due to gravity. Like the same fellow will reach to the moon. At that time the gravity is 1/6 of the gravity of earth. So whatever the gravity a person is feeling on the earth, we will divide it by 6, will be the weight of the human on the moon. Simply we can say. So this is the difference between W is equal to mg and M. So now we can describe in such a way, mass of any object is the amount of matter that an object possesses, while weight of an object is force acted upon that object is due to gravity. So in such situation, we can just understand one formula we got: mass is a constant property and weight can be changed. So this is one difference. Firstly, we can just define, if anyone will ask what is the difference between mass and weight, we can say first difference, the definitions. Second difference will be, mass is a constant property, mass can't be changed, but weight totally depend on the acceleration due to gravity, so it can be changed. Mass can't be 0, but weight can be 0, because mass of atom, mass of electron, proton, neutron even, they are also having mass, but weight, as they will reach to such zone where gravity is 0, the weight can be 0. Weight can be minimized also, maximized also as per the gravity, but mass can't be. In the other hand, we can just discuss about weight. Suppose we can consider a body on the surface of the earth and in the hand of an astronaut. Means we can say on the surface of Mars, moon, or in outer space. The mass of the body will be same, but at the same time the weight of the object will be changed as per the different places. So our two differences we got till now. third difference, what is the SI unit of mass? The SI unit of mass is kilogram. The SI unit of mass is kilogram, while the SI unit of weight is Newton or kgf. They both are the SI unit of weight, and this is the SI unit of mass. So it can be kg, or we can normally define it in the gram, but SI unit will be kg, and here the SI unit will be Newton or kgf. So in such situation we can just go through. One more nice example is there. A person who is just lying on the surface of the earth can say my weight on the earth is around 560 Newton, because this weight is the multiplication of m and g. The value of g is 9.8 meter per second. So this is here. The same person when lying on the surface of the moon is saying my weight is around 90 Newton, because the value of g changed. Now this is 1/6 time of the gravity on earth. In the other hand, the person, wherever he or she is lying, the mass of the person is fixed. This is 56 kg. As on the different places we can say the different gravity is just converting the value of weight in different mode. Now one more question is raising, how we can measure weight and mass. The weight can be measured with the help of spring balance, and mass can be measured with the beam balance or digital scales and all. Now like whenever we like to measure a weight of the body, we should use spring balance, beam balance, and such digital scales are used to measure the mass of the body. Now some common differences between mass and weight. The mass is a property of matter. The mass of an object is same everywhere. Already we discussed weight depends on the effect of the gravity. Weight varies according to the location. In different location, the value of the weight can be changed. Mass of an object can be zero. Mass can never be zero, but weight can be zero. If no gravity acts, indicated that weight will be zero. Now in third case we can say mass does not change according to the location. The same thing is there, but weight can be increase also, decrease also, and it can be zero also. We can find it in such ways. Now the fourth and the important one, mass is a scalar quantity, while weight is a vector quantity. Because mass, suppose we are visiting to a fruit seller, never we asked he give us 2 kg apples from the north side, because we are not focusing on the direction. So that is why direction not required in the mass. So we can say this is a scalar quantity. While the other hand, location is changing, indicated direction matters. When direction matters, indicated weight is a vector quantity. So mass is a scalar quantity as well as weight is a vector quantity. Mass is measured by using an ordinary balance, but weight using by the help of spring balance. We have already discussed. Now mass, the SI unit of mass is kilogram, and SI unit of weight is Newton or kgf. Now another thing they are saying, mass usually is measured in gram and kilogram. Weight often is measured in newtons, a unit of force. So with the help of such situations we can be just differentiate between mass and weight. Thank you.